Hi guys, in this tutorial I will teach you how you can extract the water bodies or water or river or lake reservoir extract etc. From the Sentinel SAR imagery within a 2 to 3 clicks. Let's add our imagery into ArcGIS. Uh, just follow the steps. It will be very easy for you. Clip image. This one is our image. First of all, we have to identify the DN value of each water bodies. For example, like this. Choose I button, then click. What is the DN value here is minus 25. Okay, minus 25 and check another place minus 29. First of all, you can very easily see in the waters which is in black because of the contrast, because of SAR imageries only have two shades, white and black, the gray range. And see the another water bodies values, DN values. Let's click here, minus 21. ठीक है. Check another place. Yeah, these are also our water bodies. Let's check this, minus 27. Okay, now what we can do here is, wait, we can also see the other uh, non-water bodies areas like agriculture land, built up land, and forestry and barren land. It's a forest. No, sorry, it's a hilly region. Let's see their DN value. What is 7 plus 7? It's a 7. Agriculture land. This one is agriculture land, minus 11. Don't worry. Is it minus 0? First of all, you have to very closely see the DN values of each and every aspect, then utilize the only one tool and you will able to extract the water bodies. Plus urban areas have a 3 positive value, plus positive value, and see here is it's a water body, minus 18. Okay, now what we can do here, go to the raster, go to the search, type raster calculator. Here is, I will paste my formula here. What we can do here, here, we choose uh, from the minus 70 to plus 1. ठीक है. uh, minus 7. Okay, here what we are doing, we are taking the pixel values which have minus 17 to above. It will only uh, pick the minus values which have a uh, let's calculate. Just uh, paste this formula and just click OK. It's take a lot of time to calculate, and I am doing pause my video, and once it's complete I will start my video recording. Yes, it's already done my calculations and my process. Now you can clearly see the water bodies. Wait a minute, change this to yes, this. Now you are able to see it once. Zoom to layer. It's take a lot of little bit time to upload. Here is my answer. Here is your answer. You can clearly see just one click, just one. You have to just uh, uh, add your values in formula using raster calculator, and then everything invisible in front of you. These are our water bodies. But once again, once you done it, you have to refine this data using raster to polygon tool and erase or refine your water bodies according to you. ठीक है, according to your objective and whatever you are doing. I hope you're fine with my video. Thank you.